Hey, it's Rob. Welcome to Axel's Garage. Alright, so today we got something in the mail. Now, those of you who've been following along, we're building this closet in the basement. And our idea was to sheetrock around the outside, but on the inside, as opposed to buying the sheetrock and spending the money and the time spackling and taping and all that stuff and paint, we thought we would use old pallets as paneling. So we have a pretty much a real good pallet supply coming in, and it doesn't cost us anything. So we thought that, you know, tearing the pallets down and using the wood, maybe putting some stain on it or just leaving it natural would be an inexpensive way to finish the walls inside the closet, and it would be inexpensive and look decent and look kind of rustic and really what we were going for. But we brought home, I guess, 2 pickup trucks. The big dummy's behind the camera. What'd you get, 2 loads? Two pickup truck loads of pallets, brought them home, dumped them here in the driveway, and we asked my father-in-law next door, who usually likes these kind of challenges, to rip the pallets apart. Well, he got about halfway through a pallet, the wood was cracking, he was cursing and getting cranky, and really didn't want to go any farther. He said, this is ridiculous, there's got to be a better way. So we start Googling, and it turns out that breaking pallets down is a difficult thing, not as easy as we thought. We thought it would just be easy, the nails would pop up, and that's not the case. So Google away, and we find out that there's a variety of tools to break pallets. They call them pallet busters. They're all pretty much a similar design. Some of them are rated real good, some of them aren't. So we go on Amazon and we just start doing a bunch of research, trying to find one that's got good reviews and not a lot of bad reviews. So we came across with this one, and this one is the Vergo Industrial. It's about 50 bucks. The reviews on Amazon are for the most part, really good. A lot of the people say it's a really heavy tool. It's about 8 pounds. I don't know what people think really heavy is. But one of the keys to these tools is the width of the jaws, so that you can get a variety of pallets. Some pallets have like 4x4s, some have 2x4s, some have other types of wood blocks. So you want to be able to get, you know, that width there. So that's why we went with this one, and it really did have the best overall ratings on Amazon. And I'll put a link to this one in the description below. Now, we haven't used it at all. We took it out of the box, that was it, and we got one of the pallets laid out. So we're going to try exactly how they said to use it in all the videos that we've seen people using it. And this is a pallet, hasn't been prepared at all. We just took it off the pile, and they said to do one side, then the other side, and then the middle. And they said most of the boards pop off without them cracking. So you get it in there all the way, and then you pry up. I would guess that should go as close to there as possible. And you pry up, and it seems to work. Alright, we'll go to this corner. Oh wow, and that board came off without breaking in one piece. It was actually easier than I thought. Alright, so we actually filmed the whole video, we wrapped it up, and then me and Robbie were out here, and he started playing around, and we're like, well, why can't you just go straight across? And the reason why is because you pop this one up, then you pop this one up. When you get to this one, and you go to pry it, it just lifts up this whole side. So that's why they want you to do the 2 outsides, and then the middle. And once you get one broke free, like I did that first one, then you're better off just turning around this way, and then you don't have to worry about sliding this thing in between the pieces, and then you just gotta pop it up, come to this side. Sometimes you gotta use your weight a little bit to hold it down. Pop it up, and then in the middle. And it comes off and they're not splitting. There we go. And it came off, didn't split.
Hey.
And it seems like it's working.
Was this the one? Okay, so I was wondering if these boards were too close that you couldn't get.
Well, no, once you get one end to start, we were just talking about that. Once you get one end,
Oh,
right,
okay.
you do an end,
Yeah,
then an end, then the middle.
yeah,
And once you get one started,
yeah,
then you don't have to go down anymore. Now you can come in and come from this side.
yeah. Okay.
And then you just...
No, I was over this morning, but Michelle said you were still sleeping. Okay. Now, what'd you say about getting the nails out?
You just bang them a little bit and pull them out. With a like a Wonder Bar or a hammer.
Oh, okay. All right. I'm just checking.
Yeah.
All right.
So how fast can you get these done?
Well, when I can get a chance, that's what I can tell you.
What are you doing tomorrow?
I was going to play with them this morning. It was raining.
Well, we got a tent.
I said it was raining, but that's why I came out here. But I didn't know where this damn thing was.
Seems like it works. We didn't split any boards here.
Yeah. I got the wrong shoes on.
Is that too heavy for you? I'm being serious. Is it too heavy for you? Our viewers want to know.
No.
Okay.
I'm
Said
not
no.
creep for a snowflake. Okay.
Some elbow grease.
Come on.
Good.
How come?
Now you see, you gotta get like that. Yeah. Sideways.
Well, see, that board's crap.
Yeah. Well, I mean, they say all of them aren't gonna come out clean. All right, so we had our first crack board right there. They do say that all of them aren't going to come out clean. It just depends on the condition of the wood on the pallets. But this tool definitely does seem to work. Hope you enjoyed this quick video on this pallet buster tool. Now we're going to be able to rip down pallets. The big dummy behind the camera is going to go get more pallets because Grandpa's going to start working on the pallets. And he should have these pallets done. This should take him, what, 15, 20 minutes for all these pallets? Right? 15,
Whatever
20
you
minutes,
say.
you should be able to get the whole pile done.
What do you say, boss? Whatever you say, boss.
Right? I'm sure there's a little bit of a knack to it, and we'll figure that out as it goes. But for the most part, like this pallet's just falling apart now. But for the most part, it seems to work. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us that thumbs up. And according to YouTube's new analysis thing that they got going on, 95% of our viewers aren't subscribed. So if you can, hit that subscribe button. If you like what we're doing here at Axles, whether it's stuff like this, working on the cars and trucks, doing projects inside the house, hit that subscribe button. It costs you absolutely nothing to hit that button, but it makes a big difference and allows us to bring you as much content as possible. And you just fought? Really?
Me? No. Not me. Not me.
And if you want to see more of Grandpa, all right, let us know in the comments below. That's it today from Axel's Garage. As always, thanks for watching.